learning better and faster.
VR Data Science, an article by Graham Waters. The article by Graham Waters talks about augmented reality data exploration. This is a new form of data visualization that allows for greater insight into the data. It can be done with either AR or VR, which leads to different types of insights depending on the specific software being used. This article covers 3 companies in this new field: BadVR, Virtualitics, and 3Data. All 3 have innovative ideas and interesting ways for people to experience their data in a new way. While AR and VR are still in their infant stages for data visualization, it is already being explored by companies and is only going to grow more popular as time goes on. This article covered the benefits of this new data visualization method can be for businesses, as well as the different ways in which it can be done. It is a great new way to look at some of the data that we have, and it can help lead to greater insights than just looking at a 2-dimensional computer screen. We recommend the article by Graham Waters in mlearning.ai.
If you are willing to share some feedback, I would love to know it. Follow mlearning.ai publication on Medium. It's a state-of-the-art in machine learning. Link to the article in the description below. See you soon.